my name is Zane Scully.
Hello, my name is Aisha Baker.
And we are from La Vega High School in Waco.
Our project is called Fostering Memories for
Our goal this year was to design and construct an app that could have a 90% use of launch and could potentially impact the community of foster care kids in a very positive way.
The way we did this, we made a detailed procedure using a program we wrote called Glide Apps, which helped us set up templates with other coding ideas. As you can see in our photos, we had our 3 main prototypes, which was a home page, a login screen, and a page where caseworkers and fosters can actually upload their pictures.
We passed out surveys to various people, and here's all our data right here. We also ran a statistical analysis, and we got our result to see our expected success rating.
In conclusion, we surpassed our goal, but our statistical relevance data was not enough for Peace Lab.